Today I'll be showing you how to create this cherry blossom design using an awesome layered stamping plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I've applied 2 coats of Madam Glam gel polish in Pure Cloud, which is a beautiful pale baby blue, the perfect colour for the sky behind the cherry blossoms. Here's a swatch of the polish on its own. As you can see, it's very pretty. The stamping plate I'm using is from Clear Jelly Stamper and it's called Rose Floral Garden CJSLC 13, and there are lots of layered floral designs in different sizes, including daisies, roses, lilies, pansies, blossom, camellias and lupins, and at the bottom are some layered leaf images. The stamper I'm using is also from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it's their double-ended crystal stamper. This has a small and medium stamping head, which allows for more precision when stamping, and is particularly useful for lining up layered designs. So first I'm stamping this tree branch onto my nails. I'm using BeautyBigBang-Brown stamping polish and removing any excess polish with sticky tape. You can see how easy it is to place the image onto your nails, as the stamping head is totally transparent, and as it is smaller, I find it much easier to get the image in the right place. Now I'm using this cherry blossom image and I'm stamping with a mid-tone pink. This is Psycho Pink from Hit the Bottle, and I'm placing this over the tree branch. Now I'm going in with a lighter pink. This is Everything's Rosy from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm placing this over the pink blossoms. And lastly, I'm picking out the edges of the petals in white. This is Mundo de Uñas white. And I'm lining this up so that it stamps the ends of the blossom flowers. Now I'm top coating. As I'm using gel polish as a base, I'm also using a gel top coat. This is Madam Glam No White Top Coat. And here's the finished design. I really hope you like it, and I hope this tutorial helped you if you were thinking of trying some layered stamping. Thanks for watching. Please like if you enjoyed this, and please subscribe for more nail art tutorials and reviews. And head over to my Instagram, Fifi Cross Nails, for more nail art inspiration.